Click on the link below to get price. The 30 Pints 1,500 square feet dehumidifier is an exceptional solution for tackling humidity issues in medium spaces in basements. With its sleek design and efficient operation, this model is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a great addition to any home. The unit is rated to handle up to 30 pints of moisture removal per day, making it perfect for areas prone to dampness, such as basements, laundry rooms, or even moderate-sized living areas. The 1,500 square foot coverage is impressive and provides ample capacity to manage humidity levels effectively. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply plug it in, adjust the humidity settings, and let it do its job. One of the standout features is the built-in hygrometer, which accurately measures the humidity level in the air. This allows users to set their desired humidity level and trust that the dehumidifier will maintain it automatically. The continuous drainage option is another bonus, as it eliminates the need to constantly empty the water tank, making maintenance hassle-free. The water tank is also fairly large, accommodating up to 1.5 gallons, making it suitable for extended use before needing a manual emptying. Noise level is often a concern with dehumidifiers, but this model operates quietly, allowing for unobtrusive use in living spaces. The removable and washable filter also adds to the convenience, enabling users to maintain air quality without frequent replacements. In terms of energy efficiency, this dehumidifier is designed to operate without significantly increasing your electricity bill, which is a major plus for environmentally conscious consumers. With a solid build quality and user-friendly controls, this dehumidifier stands out in its category. Overall, the 30 Pints 1,500 square feet dehumidifier offers outstanding performance, ease of use, and reliable humidity control, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to improve air quality in medium spaces in basements.